èèmọ̀ wọ̀lú o ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ wọ̀ gbẹ́ni tó sojú wo kòwòkò yìí èèyàn mẹ́ta ló ti pa èèyàn mẹ́ta nínú ìdílé wọn eléyìí gbẹnu tán ó lékenkà bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló pa kaṣọ ó pa ẹ̀gbọ́n bàbá rẹ̀ ó pa màmá arúgbó kan tí ń gbé lágbègbè wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ló tún pa ọkùnrin kan o bóun ló ṣe jẹ́ kí ló rọ̀lú àní ẹ súnmọ́ bísẹ̀ ẹ tún wá fetí gbéyàwó ọ̀rọ̀ o torí ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní jábọ́ ní rébọ́ ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ká bòròbòrò ohun tó rí lọ́bẹ̀ tó fi wàrú ọwọ́ tó fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní lu gbogbo wọn pa lọ́kọ̀ọ̀kan léjèèjì gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá lẹ́ ó láǹfààní láti gbọ́ nínú fọ́nrán eléyìí tí mo mú wá yìí ọ̀gbẹ́ni tẹ́ ń wò yìí ó lẹ́mìí ọlọ́run ló kó wọnú òun o pẹ́mi ọlọ́run ló ní kóun bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pààyàn ẹ gbọ́ ṣẹ́mi ọlọ́run máa ń pààyàn nítorí ọlọ́run abẹ́mi ibú ẹ̀mí ibú ló kó wọnú eléyìí o ẹ wo bó ṣe ranjú kankankan tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń tú àṣírí ara ẹ̀ pé òun pa alágbájá òun pa tàmẹ̀dò eléyìí gbẹnu tán ẹ máa bá ń comment kẹ́ máa like kẹ́sì máa bá ń pín kínní káàkiri lógúnlógún lọ́gbọ̀nlọ́gbọ̀n kó lè tètè kan ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn lára màá yí kínní yẹn sókè láìpẹ́ yìí tẹ́ farabalẹ̀ gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu ọ̀gbẹ́ni ọ̀hún ó ní Micheal Akujiobi lórúkọ òun pé ìlú Èkó sì lòun fi ṣe bùgbé kódà ó lóun níyàwó bẹ́ẹ̀ lòun ti bímọ sílùú Èkó ó ní lọ́jọ́ kan ní nǹkan kankan rọ́ọ̀lù òun lòun bá sọ fún ìyàwó òun pé àlóhùn pa àlọ́ sábúlé àwọn sẹ́ẹ̀ ó lábúlé àwọn yẹn gangan pé òun ò fẹ́ kórúkọ bàbá òun ò fẹ́ kórúkọ bàbá òun bàjẹ́ ló bá gbéra ńlẹ̀ ló di abúlé wọn pé bó labúlé wọn wà Umuzieli tí ń bẹ ní Ọ̀wọ̀ Ọ̀mọ́mọ́ Òru East Local Government Area nípínlẹ̀ Imo ó níbẹ̀ yẹn gangan labúlé àwọn wà o òun ló bá tẹkọ̀ létí lòun padà sílùú àwọn ó nígbà tóun débẹ̀ pé èkùrọ́ lòun tà káàkiri o pamkanẹ̀ ó ní bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé àwọn India hen bí nǹkan àwọn ohun èlò olóró àwọn oògùn olóró lòun kọ́kọ́ ń tà tẹ́lẹ̀ kó tó di pé òun yí padà tóun bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń tèkùọ́ àwọn èkùọ́ bíi 1,200 1,300 ó lòun bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tà ó lọ́jọ́ kan lòun kò ṣáà rí ẹ̀gbọ́n bàbá òun bóun ṣe rí wọn báyìí lẹ̀mí kan tí ń bẹ nínú òun bá sọ fóun pé ó lẹ́mí ọlọ́run ni o bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé mi èṣù ni torí ẹ̀mí ọlọ́run ò kí ń pààyàn dáadáa lẹ̀mí ọlọ́run máa ń ṣe ó lẹ́mí yẹn rọ́ọ̀lù òun ló bá ní pé sórí ẹ̀gbọ́n bàbá ẹ̀ tó ń wò yẹn ìyẹn burúkú ni ó yà lọ pa ó lòun bá súnmọ́ tóun sì rí dájú pé òun sì pa ẹ̀mí sì bọ́ lára ẹ̀ ó ní lọ́gán tó kú tán báyìí lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn nínú fámìlì òun náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń sá fún òun ó ní gbogbo àwọn èèyàn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń méré ni tó ń sá fún òun pé òun wò pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí sáwọn pípò yìí tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń sá fún òun ó nígbà tó òun fi tajú kan báyìí lòun bá rí ọmọ chairman àwọn òun bá pè kọ́kọ́ bọ́ síbí ó níyẹn náà bá gbọ̀n jìnnìjìnnì ló bá súnmọ́ òun lòun bá sọ pé wo ibi tí wọ́n ti ń ta chájà yìí gbogbo àwọn ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá ti wọ bíi tó fẹ́ mú chájà tó fẹ́ mú fóònù ẹ̀ ó nítorí gbogbo àwọn yẹn ti sá lọ fóònù pátápátá àtàwọn tó wá chájì fóònù o gbogbo wọn ti sá lọ ó ní ìwé rẹ̀ báírò ní ó yá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń kọ orúkọ gbogbo àwọn tó bá fi wá mú kìnní ń bì ó ní bóun ṣe bọ́ síta báyìí ǹjẹ́ jẹ́ mọ̀ pọ́jọ́ Friday yìí ní ọ̀rọ̀ tí mò ń sọ yìí o pé ọ̀sẹ̀ tá ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lò tán yìí ni o ó ní lọ́gán tóun jáde síta báyìí tóun bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń lọ lòun bá rí màmá àgbàlagbà kan ní màmá yẹn bá pè òun pé Micheal ṣé nǹkan tó ṣe yẹn ṣó bójú mu ó ní bó ṣe sọ tán báyìí lẹ́mí ọlọ́run tún sọ fóun pé àlẹ́ èèyàn burúkú ni màmá yẹn sẹ́ ó yá pa á ó lòun bá súnmọ́ lòun bá ti màmá ní màmá ló gbókìtì ló bẹ̀ sí ń sọ ọmọ asọ́ọ̀tì ó lòun tiẹ̀ ti wulẹ̀ yọ̀ǹda ẹ̀ kó máa lọ́n tiẹ̀ lòun bá pẹ̀yìn dàbá ẹ̀ ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ bá ní ọlọ́pàṣẹ́ kó yanjú ẹ̀ ó lòun bá súnmọ́ màmá o lòun bẹ̀ sí ń fún ní kúùkù bóun ṣe ń gba ní kúùkù lòun fún lẹ́sẹ̀ẹ́ ó láfìgbà tí ẹ̀mí bọ́ lára màmá yẹn kó tó di pé òun yọ̀ǹda màmá o ẹ̀yin èèyàn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gbẹnu tán ó lékenkà bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló pa kaṣọ èèyàn mẹ́ta ni Micheal pa lọ́jọ́ kan ṣoṣo lọ́jọ́ Friday tó kọjá yìí ó ní bóun tún ṣe kúrò lọ́dọ̀ màmá báyìí tóun tún lọ lòun tún pàdé ọkùnrin kan lójú ọ̀nà láìṣẹ́ ti tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n ń bè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé kí ni nǹkan táwọn pípò yẹn ṣe fún ẹ nítorí Ọlọ́run gan tó fi di wípé ó bẹ̀ sí nípa wọn ó ní wọn ṣẹ̀wọ̀n lẹ́sẹ̀ kan o ó lẹ́gbọ̀n bàbá òun yẹn nìkan ló ṣẹ̀wọ̀n nígbà tóun wà kékeré tóun lọ léèwé bí kò máa sọ pé òun ò mọ̀wé òun ò ṣègbà òun ò ṣàwo ó sì wò sunsun ó sì pa á irú ẹ̀mí òfòwò ló wọnú ẹ̀ nítorí Ọlọ́run ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ bá ń comment kẹ́ máa like kẹ́sì máa bá ń pín fọ́nrán káàkiri lógúnlógún lọ́gbọ̀nlọ́gbọ̀n máa yí kíní yẹn sókè ní ìsín tẹ́ fà balẹ̀ gbálà yí ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu Micheal Akujiobi o àwọn àgbákò orúkọ tóun náà ń jẹ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Ẹ wò ó lọ́gán tó pa màmá yẹn tán ó ní bó tún ṣe rìn síwájú díẹ̀ báyìí ló tún pàdé àdámọ̀ ẹ̀dá ọmọ aráyé bàbá kan ló tún kó sí lọ́wọ́ o ó ní lọ́gán tó ń rí báyìí lẹ̀mí Ọlọ́run ti ń bẹ nú òun o ló bá tún sọ fún òun alẹ́ èèyàn burúkú ni bàbá ilé iṣẹ́ ó yá tún yanjú òun náà ó lóun bá súnmọ́ lòun bẹ̀ sí ń gba lẹ́sẹ̀ẹ́ lòun fún kúkú lòun bẹ̀ sí ń gba lọ́tún lòun gba lọ́sì ó ní kò mà kú bí kápẹ́ńtà lòun ni kò yé èèyàn ló bá rí àmà kan lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ kàkà tó yẹ kí èèyàn náà fi àmà wọ̀ ẹ̀ kó fi dìfẹ́ǹdì ara ẹ̀ kò má dìfẹ́ǹdì ara ẹ̀ ó ní bóun ṣe gba àmà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ nìyẹn lòun bá fọ́ ọmọ lámùjẹ̀ àfi gbogbo ọpọlọ bá tú yángayánga ó ní bóun ṣe rí i pé ó dákẹ́ nù lòun bá wulẹ̀ yọ̀ǹda ẹ̀. ó lóun pe àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ òun kan pé àní báwọn èèyàn ṣe rí pé òun pa àwọn èèyàn pé wọ́n ti fẹ́ lọ pa ìyàwó àtàwọn ọmọ náà pé kó tètè báwọn pa àwọn ọlọ́pàá pé wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ pa ìyàwó àtọmọ tòun o tóun sì ń pààyàn bó ṣe wù ú tiẹ̀ ẹ̀yìn èèyàn àlọ́rọ̀ ìgbẹnu tán sẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ wọn ò dùn lẹ́nu mi ẹ jẹ́ bá yín gbé fọ́nrán ìwọlé kẹfà balẹ̀ wá gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu Micheal Akujiobi o tó ráwọn Yorùbá bọ̀ wọ́n ní ẹnu oníkàn báyìí náà láti ń gbọ́ pọ̀hún bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni ẹnu ọlọ́fà láti ń gbọ́ mọ́ta láì dé ìnàpẹ́nu ẹ jẹ́ sáré gbé fọ́nrán ìwọlé kẹfà balẹ̀ wá gbogbo kúlẹ̀kúlẹ̀ bọ́rọ̀ ohun ti ṣe jẹ́ gan ní pàtó tó bá yẹ pé ìgbà kan tí ń retẹ́ ń balẹ̀ sórí ìkànnì Àdàbà tẹlifíṣàn tẹ ò tí ì follow wa àbẹ́ ò tí ì subscribe ẹ bá ń tẹ follow button tàbí subscribe button tí ń bẹ nísàlẹ̀ fọ́nrán yìí aago kélébé kan náà ń bẹ́ẹ̀ notification bell ni wọ́n ń pè é òun gangan ní ó máa ta yín lólobó ní gbogbo ìgbàkúùgbà tàbá ti ń ju fọ́nrán sórí ìlà yìí ó yá ẹ̀ ń so níbẹ̀.
Okay, now look up. What is your name?
My name is Micheal Akujiobi. I'm from Umezali, Awomama, Oris local government.
Okay, what is your handwork?
My handwork in Igbo land, since I come to Igbo land since 2018, I buy palm kernel.
You buy and sell palm kernel?
Yes, no, but when I come back the first time from Lagos, what I'm doing, I sell India hemp.
Oh, you sell India hemp?
Yes, in my village.
Ah, okay. Now, are you married?
When I was selling that India hemp, I am married. I leave my wife in Lagos and insist that I want to go to my father's land to make my father's name not to go astray. My father gave birth to 8 boys. Inside those 8 boys, I am the only one that come back to my father's land. Yes, sir.
Okay. 3 days ago, you killed 3 people.
On Friday.
On Friday?
Yes, evening.
Okay. You killed 3
people.
What are the names of those 3 people you killed?
Yes, sir. The number 1 person I killed in the same building with me is my father's senior brother. His name is Joseph Akujiobi.
The second person?
The second person, when after I killed the man, I went outside to go and look for EPA around the vicinity in my building. All the people in the vicinity now started running for me. I now see one of my chairman, Umunadi chairman, his first son. My Umunadi chairman, his first son. He now see me, he want to run. And I tell him, come here, are you mad? Since you know me, have you run before? He said, no. Why did you see me now that you want to run? He said, Dede, I will give you obara. I said, it's true. I have won the battle. Since I have won the battle, I have no more fear to human being again. Come inside here, and I take it inside that place where they are charging a phone. Everybody that is there have run. The person that holds the phone, leave everything and run. And I tell the boy, sit down there. Take a book and biro. Whoever that come here, that have phone here, before you give him he or her phone, write his name and his surname. That I am coming. And now move straight out from that place. Me, I want to go to Amemeri. The Spirit of God now directs me back to Umeme. I now started going down to Meme. As I was going down to Meme, I was giving God glory and honor for Him to set me free.
No, you are going far. What happened? You had to kill the second person.
That's what I want to say, Daddy. It's that same thing I'm saying, Daddy.
Okay.
As I was going to Meme, one old woman come and stop me. Babylon, what is happening? I say, you wicked woman, why are you asking me such question? Go away from here. As I push the woman has somersault. As a somersault, I want to leave the woman. The spirit now come back to me. that woman is an evil woman. Kill her. And I kill her.
What did you use to killing her? With a stick or with hand or
With
what?
hand. I don't use anything to touch that woman. It's only hand I used to kill her.
Your hand?
Yes.
You were giving her blows?
Yes, I was just eating her with blow.
And she died?
That's how she died.
What of the third person?
The third person, Mr. Sirin Obo.
Cyril Obo.
Mr. Sirin Obo.
Is he?
He used to shoot gun in the burial.
Okay.
What made me to attack him also is the Spirit of God that tell me that that man also is a bad person, that I should get him down. And I chase him, I get him down. I was beating with my hand. He says I'm knocking on a rock. And I see the object with him. And I collect the hammer and knocking his head. That is the way he died.
Okay. So you said that the Spirit of God asked you
to kill the evil ones that don't want none shall go to suffering.
Okay, the Spirit of God was controlling you.
Yes.
Was telling you what to do.
Yes.
And you killed them under the control of the Spirit of God.
Yes.
So the Spirit of God empowers you or directs you to murder people.
That is before this thing started. When I go to market on Friday, are you hearing me, Daddy? When I go to market on Friday, I will buy my palm kernel. After me buying my palm kernel, on Wednesday there is a man that called me on phone that told me that he wants me to buy palm kernel for him. And I told him I'm not going to buy palm kernel from you. Come on, dog.
Don't decide.
And I tell you, I will not buy palm kernel for you. That I have a master in Afawo. That my master bought me market last time.
Let me ask you.
Yes, sir.
Do you have misunderstanding with these 3 people you killed before?
It's only one person I have misunderstanding with.
Which of them?
The first one I killed in my father's house, the one that senior my father. That's the only witch man I have problem with.
What was your problem with him?
Since in my childhood, when I was in primary school, I can read and write very well as a business student. Unfortunately, along the line going to school, in my primary school, I could not able to read again. I cannot able to spell again. I was not burdened with my life, struggling with my life since then. That what happened? Me, a brilliant boy in school, I read well, I write very well. What now happened? That I am not able to read again. Along the line, I have a problem with my professor in school, in private school in Lagos.
Is your mother still alive?
Yes, sir.
What of your father? Is he?
My father is late. I am the one that make my brothers to bury my father in this village. They want to bury my father in Lagos.
So, having killed these 3 people now, what is your, how do you see what you did?
Daddy, what I did is diabolic. It's diabolic. It's not what human beings supposed to do.
Okay, then why did you do that?
But based on the spiritual attack, they attacked me. I fought a lot of war with them in my room. More than 5 hours in my room. Daddy, I will not lie to you.
Do you know the consequences of what you did, the legal consequences, the after effect? Do you know?
Yes, Daddy, I know it's life imprisonment or stoned to death.
Okay.
Daddy, when I have an encounter of spiritual attack, when I come back from my market, after me and the man have again, my wife was there. They had the conversation I have with that man that is calling me on phone. That the man said he's going to buy me palm kernel, 1,300. Meanwhile, my master in the market, what he buy me market is last market, he bought me 1,002.
Okay, I will come again. Eh?
So
you have confirmed that you have confessed on your own. You ran away after murdering these people.
Yes, I ran
Later
away.
Came out yourself.
After I run away, those people I killed them, their sons and daughters, they now went to my wife's shop to go and kill my wife and my children. But with God to be the glory, he fight for me. He is the one that bring me back to this village to come and set his people free. As they run to my wife's shop with cutlass, with everything, people around my wife's shop see what is going on. They now rush those people, fight them seriously.
Okay.
Are you getting it? On their way fighting them, they make my wife escape and my children.
Okay.
When they make them escape, I look at what can I do. These people, am I going to be here? They will damage my image. What will I do? I now call one of my friends.
One of your friends?
Yes.
To do what?
Ejima.
You called him to do what?
To help me and call government to intervene, because the government did not intervene in this matter, they will kill me in this place.
Okay. You call Ejima. Did Ejima intervene?
Ejima, I begged him a lot to call Mr. Uchenna Obiozo.
Uchenna Obiozo.
I begged him a lot to help me and beg him to send his squad to come and set me free from here. Mr. Ejima was telling me, telling me that he have called him, that he have information that the Ebobagun is in territory coming, which he have never.
Okay, it's all right. I've heard you. Eh?
Yes, sir.
So thank you for confessing, for
sir.
telling us the truth.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
ẹ tún káàbọ̀ padà ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa bó lẹ ṣe rí sí abẹ́rẹ́ pé àwọn èèyàn burúkú ń bẹnu ayé ẹ wọ̀ dájú abiyamọ ọ̀gbẹ́ni yìí bó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí nípa àwọn èèyàn nípa àfọnáfọnṣu bó ṣe ń fọ́ wọn lórí ní fún wọn ní kúùkù eléyìí gbẹnu tán o bó ló ṣe lágbàtọ̀dọ̀ tí ń bẹ̀ wọn ẹ jẹ́ darapọ̀ ní abala àríwúsí kan bá ń comment kẹsì máa bá mi pín fọ́nrán ìkáàkiri lógúnlógún lọ́gbọ̀nlọ́gbọ̀n kó lè ti kan ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn lára àwa náà rí jù báyìí lọ lórí ilé tí a mú wá fún yín ní sáà yìí bó bá tún ṣe ń lọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá náà lẹ́ láǹfààní láti máa gbọ́ lórí ìkànnì àdàbà tẹlifíṣàn àdàbà ọ̀nà ní à ń sùn gbẹ́ iná ń jó ẹ̀yẹlé gbéra ńlẹ̀ àdàbà atúntì fòfẹ̀rẹ̀ awọ̀lú sọ̀lúdẹ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀sẹ̀.
agbe ní gbére pàdé olókun àdùkò ní gbére pàdé ọlọ́sà òdìdẹrẹ́ ní gbére pàdé wọn lóde ìwò fún ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tí nǹkan rẹ̀ ò ṣe déédéé ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tí ṣàyàwó rẹ̀ ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ gbọ́ jìgìjìgì lára lójú lọ mú kára rẹ̀ ó tó le ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tó ń retí ọmọ bíbí ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tó fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan tó dáa láyé pẹ̀lú aya rẹ̀ tí ìfàyàlòyà tí ó fi di nǹkan tó dáa ìwọ tásítọ̀ rẹ̀ ń sàn tí ò kí tó láti dọmọ ìwọ ọkùnrin tára rẹ̀ ò le ìwọ ọkùnrin ṣe ẹ̀kan dìde ìwọ ọkùnrin tátàn rẹ̀ ò dúró déédéé ìwọ ọkùnrin tó ń retí ọmọ ìwọ ọkùnrin tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣègbéyàwó ọgbọ́ capable herbal energy capsule ló nílò fún gbogbo àìṣedéédé ara rẹ̀ kó o lè jẹ́rìí sọmọ bíbí àti nǹkan tó dáa láti ṣe.